Hello everyone, welcome to Marisol's Homestead Kitchen. We're having a feed shopping now, and I am the driver. My passenger here. I'm with Gina and Reed. So and after this, I will going to buy nipa and bamboo. Now I'm going to get one bundle of nipa and 6 bundle of this bamboo, 10 feet long. I am a little bit loaded now. The two old couple who are selling this bamboo and nipa fixing my fish so they can put the bamboo well. And it's very hot here now. So I got like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sacks of feed. Sana lang. One more and nipa also. Dapat nag-hire mo og kuan, labor.
Daoroy ka na kung manugot ta kay maipog ka masugo kay magsige mo pug lingkod. Ayaw.
Na.
Mura mapugdi mo. Kuan.
Mapud lagi.
Katong tag 4 piso sa kita pa dito.
Isa. So we're ready now. For this bamboo and nipa I paid 1,830. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks everyone. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Init jud kayo.